Hey class, it's Mr. Rodriguez making it's the first little video of some of our lessons. And I guess the first thing you need to know is it's going to be okay. Let's not worry too much about all these different changes going on. It's all going to work out the way it's supposed to. And I know that Miss Akins, Miss Banks, and Miss H are all anxious to see y'all again. So anyways, a couple things kind of for the parents, but also for the kids. There's different levels and different students based on where they're at are different levels. So this is a level 1 for our ELAR section. Each of y'all now have y'all's packets for the week. And actually it's 2 weeks worth of packets. So we shouldn't get past about page 10. But see, this one down here says level 1. Here's a level 2 one. It says level 2 down here. So let me come back over here to the level 1. Each of the units, I'm not sure how long we're going to be out of school, and I'll update you with as much as I'm updated. So anyways, each unit, for example, this is unit 1, it's a review. And for those students who have the level 1 packet, these are the some of the stuff they'll go over. Their anchor chart is kind of a help for all the pages throughout the unit. So here on the pretest, this is what you should be doing on Monday, just copying the letters. So this box would be an A, this box would be a B, this box would be a C, and so forth. Down here, just copying the alphabet from the anchor chart. The second page of the pretest, parents, either you can do this or have a older brother, sister, neighbor, cousin, whoever help. Basically, you read the words and that child will point to it. So if you said pizza, they would point to the pizza. If you say burger, they'd point to the burger. And we count how many they got right. It's a pretest. It's not gonna hurt them or anything like that. Just kind of seeing where they are vocabulary wise. And once again, it is a review. And then down here for part 4, just copying the words from the anchor chart, or if they knew them from up here. So picture the carrot, they write carrot. Pretty simple. Skip over the post test. That'll be later on at the end of next week. So Tuesday, we're going to end up doing 2 pages. Here, just like it says, we're going to write the word, trace the alphabet, find the letters on page 1. In page 2, we're going to just match the food, the chicken leg to the chicken leg, carrot to carrot, eggs to eggs, lettuce to lettuce, etc. And then we're going to count the carrots, count the burgers, count the chicken, count the bread. Pretty basic stuff. So anyways, those of y'all who have a level 1 for English, this will be some helpful information for you.